I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating billing information can be a bit tricky, but following these steps will make it a breeze. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Truist website or open the mobile app and log in with your username and password. This is your first step to accessing your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings, find the section labeled billing information or payment methods. Click on this to proceed to update your details. Step 4. Update your details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Quick gotcha: if you're entering a new credit card, ensure the expiration date is correct, as an incorrect date can cause payment issues later. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your information, look for a confirmation button or message. This step ensures that your changes have been saved successfully. I hope this guide helps you update your billing information smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.